Discover how to automatically calculate and visualize variances across timeframes and levels of care using the Room Occupancy Revenue template powered by Delbridge Solutions. This free template includes instructions and was built using best practices to help you save time when performing occupancy revenue planning across all levels of care in your senior living communities. In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure the template to your needs and adjust centralized statistics to quickly and easily forecast revenue from occupied units. Download the template to get started. The first step is to open the template in Microsoft Excel. Once open, you'll see the first tab contains a clear set of instructions on how to use the template. We will begin by setting the central variables. Set the current year and month to indicate when the actual data ends and the forecast begins. In our case, we will be starting in the year 2024 with the last closed month of June. Next, we will set up the units available to each level of care. The template is pre-populated with one unit type in each level of care. To add additional units, insert a row above the insert row line in each table and add a unique key number that will be used to reference this unit type later. Once all unit types are added, fill in the blue cells with the max occupancy, monthly rate, and second person rate, if applicable. Now that our variable setup is complete, we will click the Input tab and continue configuration. Each level of care comes with a set of rows to calculate revenue by unit type. These calculations can be copied for all required unit types entered in variable setup. Simply highlight all rows in the calculation, copy, and insert rows below. Change the value in the blue cell in column B to change the unit type according to the key entered in the variable setup. If an invalid key is used, the title will change to Unit Not Found, and no variables will appear. To begin revenue planning, start with entering the target occupancy each month for first and second person. Rate increases can be applied to the first and second person's rate independently as needed. Once all of our data is entered and all the desired rate increases are applied, we can navigate to a summary sheet to see the totals and result of all of our inputs. There's a division between first-person revenue totals and second-person revenue totals, as well as a total overall. If you'd like to customize the design of the template, you can click Page Layout in Excel and then click Themes to select a different theme. You can also change the appearance of the cells by clicking Home and Cell Styles. And that's it. That's how you can use this free Excel template to automatically calculate and visualize variances across timeframes and levels of care. To download this and our other Excel and Power BI templates, visit venasolutions.com/templates.